this arrived this afternoon. I have no idea what it is, but it says reference Beko 1987 on it, which means it's probably something to do with this channel and the sort of thing we get up to. So, get it unboxed and see what the heck it is. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? This is a mystery, may not even be vacuum cleaner related, let's be honest. I go by Beko 1987 on many channels, many bits of internet. Could be something car related, but I very doubt it is, because I normally go and pick that sort of stuff up. Because obviously it's car related, it's huge. Apart from I had some wheels delivered, actually they came by post. They were very cheap. You know, it cost £35 to send 4 wheels with tyres, tyre paisley paint. So black, lapping off, and I am still none the wiser at all. I'm not even expecting anything. That's the odd thing. Oh. Well, I know what it is, but not why I have it. That is an Electrolux automatic floor tool. We have what is possibly an Electrolux automatic cleaner. Where's this come from? Oh wow! Oh, and a crevice tool. One utterly destroyed hose. They do that. That's a bit of a shame. Although not insurmountable, I'll be honest, because luckily these use 3 peg hoses. So I can at least find something to fit. See, the only person I know who's possibly sending me something, this could be a refurb, I don't know. Guy on AutoShite said, oh, I want to send you a brochure. And I gave him my address and that was that. It's the Electrolux flipping automatic 345. Oh my gosh. There's no brochure in it, I'll be annoyed now. No, I'm not. I'm not annoyed at all. These are lovely. Why have I got it? It's a Z345 from 1989. Where's it gone? Hang on. I've put it so. Literally, I don't. It's from Bury St Edmunds. Reference Beko 1987. That is it. Ah, timber. Let's just see what's on the... Hang on. Let me get the back of this label off and see if I can find a name. I've solved it. I went onto my phone to work out where it was. Mr. Semi C from AutoShite. Thank you so much. All I had... Look, I got that PM according to stuff. Local reports that Eagle has landed. This is the Eagle. Thank you ever so much, Mr. Semi C. Wow. So, we have, this is mine to keep, an Electrolux Z345. I shall find out for the after video why I have it and where he got it from. We have the power button, which has a small chip out of the switch. The leatherette coating is in immaculate condition. Gosh, the very fragile looking filter housing is intact. You know, I've got loads of these filters. This is awesome. This will blow a port. Wow, I love stuff like this. Oh, it's the automatic, and it does have a full bag. This is the exact same system that the automatic G uses, possibly more refined. Wow, 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 wow. I don't have a 3-peg hose on me, which is a bit of a bummer. So we'll plug it in and turn it on anyway, but we probably won't be able to suck up much with it because I need to find the hose. It's got a very nice cable. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, very nice. Oh, it's turned on. Smells. Oh, vintage old dust. Still got some suction. Oh, but look, the check bag light is illuminated. So I'll turn it on. Need to be a little bit careful with this because it's probably still got its suppressor in, which will blow. Let's see what the hose does. Actually, that's got some suction still. Going to see if we can replace this with a modern one. Oh, that's cool. So we can use it. We can put the crevice. The crevice tool shouldn't fit on there. There should be a butterfly tool. But you know what? I might have one in brown. I don't know. Oh, this is lovely. Let's put that to one side. We can actually use it. Hang on, if I put you down there a bit. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, doesn't like eating our carpet. Well, I don't know if the automatic function. No. I think it's very gummed up with fluff. As you can see, I'm amazed this hose works. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I don't know if we can dare try and take. Oh no, it will. There we go. That's off there. Oh. Have a look at the machine a bit closer. So we'll take the. I'm amazed this still holds there. Look, it's just completely shattered, but. Still airtight enough. That's completely torn, so I don't think you can re-end these. I think sadly it's going to have a replacement hose, but that won't be too difficult to find. It just won't be braided. I don't know how the automatic feature works because it's on 6 and even turning it down to 1. As soon as I push the button, it will turn the machine off. But I don't know if it's because this bag is it's not actually very full, it's just quite full. Pattern bag, full of dog hair, although it does smell very nice. So there's that. There is a filter in here as well, although I have no idea how it comes out. By the looks of it, this whole inner tray comes loose. but not especially easily. There is a filter in there though, you can see it. I've never had one before, so I am doing this completely blind and don't really want to break it. This corner's up. Ah, there we go, look. So we can see our motor filter. That is quite clean. There's in there. I don't think I can. Oh, that does shut. Ah, but it won't turn on. Presumably because of that bit there. Motor sounds a little bit dry, but not horrific. Oh, this is brilliant. Obviously, I do cylinders now because obviously we have hard floor, so this works very well. There is, you know, part of me thinking, look at that biro there, look. I don't think this is a legit bag, you know. I don't think it's legit. I think it's probably not even a proper Bojack one. Let's just see what we can spot under here, because under here is where the whole automatic release mechanism sits. And this is what I've got to have a look at on my automatic G, because on the automatic G the vacuum pipes perish. Don't know if this uses the perishing type of vacuum pipes or not, because it's obviously newer, but I also don't know if it's, you know, clogged up. So we'll very quickly have this out. Oh wow, there we go. Look, this is the inner workings. So when we turn our knob, lots of other things turn. Ah, there's the, yeah, I'm not going to touch this now at all, but that's how it works. I shall wait until I reach. Oh gosh, uh-oh. Well, we've got to do something about it now, aren't we? God, why do I touch things? Right, you're back on there. Like that. I don't remember where that spring came from. That's definitely how that went. I think the spring actually just went under this corner. I'll have to watch my own video back to work it out now. Oh, why do I touch things? Oh. Bother. Ah! Hang on. Unless it went under here. No. Don't be silly. Ah! It goes in there, look. There we go. That's cracked it, grommet. That goes in there like that. And then we'll put this back on before I break it anymore. And leave it the heck alone. It might be the because it's not got a legit bag that it's not very happy. We shall, I think for now, just assume that that is why. I'm not touching it anymore. Let's put this back together. I haven't got time for this today. Oh, it's such a good example as well. These go for silly money. In effect, I've seen these go for like £100. Granted, they were in better condition, but these are quite sought after. I can see this becoming vacuum of the month if I get down to it before the end of the year. Because it's so quiet and lovely. So we will find some bags for it. I might have some. I need to check. I do have lots of Electrolux bags knocking about the place. Look up there, look, underneath all of that filth, it is spotless. Oh, this is great. What I'm doing is there's an air valve there that I think is what senses everything. Oh, that's wrong. The top of this needs to clip behind something, I can tell already. Or it goes underneath something and that something has dropped. Oh. Goes underneath the clear panel for that, which has dropped down. We're going to be very careful when you take, there we go, when you take things apart, to be absolutely 100% sure you know where things go. That's why I normally take my photographs, you see. Oh, I can hear a little buzzy airplane. Let's see if that still works. It doesn't, but you know, it's fine for now. I think most of it is just that bag. It's still got, you know, it doesn't quite pull itself along, but it's a heavy old Hector, so that's probably understandable. Chord rewind. Oh, work to work. Careful, because my lights will fall down. That works very well. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, love this. Should put some test dirt down. Let's give it a go. Here we go then, we got our old Cheerios out, we'll crush a few up just to spice things up, and let's see if it'll pick them up. You know what, it glides over them fairly well. It's a very glidey floor to this, very glidey indeed. Hold up. This is fabulous. Obviously no parking brackets on a machine of this age, but you can't have it all. Wonder if we can have this apart quickly and defluff it, because that would make all the difference, and I have had one of these apart before. Because these rely on this rubber diaphragms is how these work. I've got the same sort of tool actually on that Lux 1R that I still have. It's the exact same principle. Electrolux used it very, very widely. Oh, where's my little pokey screwdriver? Oh gosh. Alert, alert. God, I hate losing flipping tools. This one will do. Wow, that is going to be most of the problem right there. And that's what it's done. It's melted itself on over the years. Oh, this rubber bumper is quite perished. Hoping I can get some sort of chemicals that'll. There we go. So that is the underside of the floor head. We have these two springs here, look. And then after that, again, we've got to peel off. I don't think this should be stuck together. I think it's just done it over the years. Have a look in there, look. That is quite full. That is what the problem is and why it's not automatically automating itself, as we shall put it. Take a picture of that for me thread. Oh look, it can clean itself up. That is grade A compacted film right there. Thank goodness we got a vacuum cleaner to help clean it up. So we're a little bit cleaner now. There's still a lot of gumph there. I don't think, no, see, I can't separate that without, I wouldn't say destroys probably the wrong word, but without doing a lot of damage to that. God, this has been damp, sadly. I'm not going to get all that off on this video. It's been quite wet in the past. But you know, that's much improved. So I haven't quite got time. This will take about it'll be a very satisfying half an hour. But to pick all of that out of there, look, it's just going to take forever. So we shall leave it at that. Just scrape the worst off. That metal base plate's going to have to come off, but that shouldn't be too difficult. I want to leave something for the refurb, don't I? Oh, there we go, that drops onto there. Like so. Oh, I'm going to spend 2 seconds trying to do something with these brushes, but I'll do that off camera because it will work so much better. Lots of this later. It's better. Still needs a heck of a lot of work, but it is better, and that is fine. So now we've got to push all this perished, corroded rubber back into place. Oh dear, those screws need replacing. They are pretty cream crackered. But they'll do for now. To be fair, I could probably just mull a modern horrible twin pedal floor tool for some suitable screws in the future, and it'll be absolutely fine. So we'll put, oh bother, drop that onto there. I think the screws go on. Ah, the screws can go on there. Springs. They are springs, Mr. Watson. Put the screws in. These are screws, you see. I do know what I'm on about. See, that's actually more like it, because I think the bristles should be out permanently on these. It's only when the suction hits that it draws them in. Let's have a look. Yes. I don't know if I'll be able to show you very easily. They're up. And that's not my arm doing that. Just trying to see. I think it's fine. I think it now just needs a good wash. And it'll be much, much better. Much better indeed. Oh. Hey, get rid of this bit of broken metal. Oh, and we'll sum up. Well, that's cheered me up no end, that has. I was having a pretty rubbish day at work. I'm trying to reproduce an issue that I can't really reproduce. And look at it, I've got this lovely Electrolux 345 automatic to play with. It's good. So we'll definitely fix this up. Hopefully not take forever about it like some of my projects. And we can see it again soon. So, thank you very much, Mr. Semi C. None of you not know who I am, Mr. Semi C, but me and Mr. Semi C convoyed to Shitefest 2014 together in Wales. I had the pleasure of him following me and then rapidly overtaking me in places in his Ford Cortina Mark III, I think it was. Very nice indeed. I was in the green ZX 1.9 TD at the time. Ah, happy memories. So, oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.